step on the train and take her place. There's a woman 3 seats back, tears running down her face. A baby sat across from her, guess age 3. The little disaster has no father who it won't see. The mother asks the trouble lady, what's the matter? A quiet reply reveals she wants the train to move faster. She reveals more and tells of how her father might not be there by the time she gets to the hospital where he expects to see her. Smiling face, a bunch of flowers to match. Today of all days, this was the train I had to catch. The baby won't stop screaming and the mother's getting stressed too. At least, lady, you got a father to say bye to. Why does it feel like I don't belong here? Why does it feel like I don't belong here? As I step into the world, I see her face, a smiling queen of beauty who I want to go chase. Blissfully ignorant to the world of my lustful state. And well, do I need a reason to go make a fool of myself like I do in these situations? My words fall on deaf ears, guaranteed to hit the pavement. Well, I'm still wondering whether the crying lady made it, or whether she'll raise that baby safely. Why does it feel like I don't belong here? Why does it feel like I don't belong here? Stepping back next day to go home, the weeping woman sits there all alone. I distance myself and listen to her on the phone, telling little sister daddy's gone, 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 gone. Why does it feel like I don't belong here? Why does it feel like I don't belong here?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on. Turn me up.
Is the dirty money?
Let them know, say what?
Is the dirty money?
Yeah, turn me up one time.
Is the dirty money?
Yo, upgrade me, please.
Popping bottles in the ice, like a blizzard.
Hey yo, check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, turn up your radio. I said turn up your radio. We are the Dirty Money Crew, and we are, come on, like a G6, like a G6. Oh, we feeling so fly, like a G6, like a G6, like a G6. Oh, I'm feeling so fly, like a G6.
When you know, like I know,
This is the remix. Listen to me.
when the sunlight falls down, there she goes. Strobe lights dance with the stars. I know she knows. Dirty money.
Let's listen.
And she knows what she knows. And the rain is coming down. My heart is cold. I know she knows. Strobe lights dance with the stars.
Let's go.
Like a blizzard.
Don't stop.
When we drink it right.
I can't hear you. This is the remix. Come on, we are the Dirty Money Crew, and we feeling fly. Like a G6, like a G6. Yeah. Turn up your radio, cause we are going higher and higher.
Like a G6.
We are the world famous Dirty Money Crew. Let's go.
I know, that you know, but I know,
This is the remix.
that you make me.
Let's go.
Come back, come on. Every time I try, I
Dirty Money,
can't
come on.
get away. I know, this love is going tomorrow. I know, it's like there's stars to fade. Time flies.
That's right.
You're a guy.
Let's go.
He keeps begging me, please. The heart falls in the ice, like a blizzard. When we drink, we do it right. so fly like a G6.
Oh, excuse me, miss. Miss, yes. I would like to upgrade. Can you please upgrade me? I'm part of the DIDDY Dirty Money crew. Yes, we are the flyest, the freshest. We deserve to be upgraded. You know what I'm feeling like? I'm feeling like I want to go like a G7, like a G7. Oh, I'm feeling fly like a G7. Like a G7, like a G7. That dirty money crew fly like a G7. You've just been upgraded. Thank you.
Fasten your seatbelt sign. Let's go.
Give yourself a little counting.
Oh shit, I'm boxed off my tits, looking at my mind on the floor in bits. Oh no, where did we go? All day, all night. I try to figure out my mind. There's now better than the sun was summertime. As we watch the stars align, we all feel like we're one of the kind. Let's walk and talk until the night turns to morning, until you hear those beds creaking, waking and yawning. Oh shit, I'm sober like a dick, looking in at my reflection and I'm feeling sick. Oh no, where will we go today, tonight? I try to figure this vendetta with 2007, this shit in this weather. Oh no, where will we go today, tonight? Let's walk and talk until the night turns to morning, until you hear those beds creaking, waking. Let's walk and talk until the night turns to morning, until you hear those beds creaking, waking and yawning. Waking and yawning.
34, 35 foot.
Break a mirror, roll the dice, run with scissors through a chip and firefight. Go into business with a grizzly bear, but just don't sit down, 'cause I've moved your chair. Find a well-known odd man and start a fight. Wear your shell suit on bonfire night. Fill a circular hole with a peg that's square, but just don't sit down, 'cause I've moved your chair. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bite the lightning and tell me how it tastes. options left. I got nothing to show now. I'm down on the ground. I got seconds to live, and you can't go now. 'Cause love, like an invisible bullet, shut me down and I'm bleeding. Yeah, I'm bleeding. And if you go, furious angels will bring you back to me. Will bring you back to me. You're a dirty needle, you're in my blood and there's no curing me. Yeah, and I wanna run like the blood from a wound to a place you can't see me. 'Cause love, like a blow to the head, has left me stunned and I'm reeling. Yeah, I'm reeling. And if you go, furious angels will bring you back to me. Yeah. I can't get up. I'm as cold as a stone. I can feel the light fade from me. Hey, I'm down on the ground. I got seconds to live, and what's there that waits for me? Oh, that waits for me. 'Cause love like a sentence of death's left me stunned, and I'm reeling. Yeah, I'm reeling. And if you go, furious angels will bring you back to
the pheasant.